Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process for issuing certificates based on attendance credits, fast and easy through our platform. To issue certificates for your conference or seminar based on each participant's attendance time, you need to have created sessions. For more information, check out our tutorial on creating sessions. Go to Event and Settings. Select Check-in/Checkout and make sure the Enable Checkout option is enabled. Then go to Credits on the bottom left. Make sure Enable Credits is active and the full credits for attending event and minimum percentage of total attendance time required to receive credits for attendance fields are filled in correctly. Activate the Calculate Attendance based on room's check-in and press Save. Then go to Event, Setup, and Sessions. Next to the session, select the green icon and click on Edit Session. Under More Settings, select the Enable for Attendance Credits. When you are done, press Save. Repeat this step for all sessions needed for the certificate. For example, the evening party is not included in the attendance time required to receive a certificate, so don't turn on this feature. So now you know how to issue participation certificates based on attendance credits fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check our guides for more tips.